Good afternoon, my Sasamoto family. I hope you guys are all doing great. Getting ready for work. So I went ahead and repositioned the microphone because somebody in the comments said it didn't sound too right. And don't know what that meant, but we're gonna go grab that garbage can. But first, we're gonna start this cold start. Yeah, Christmas has been busy for me as far as work goes, but as far as planning with family, none of that happened. But that's okay. I'm used to it. So let's go ahead and start up Luna, because today we're taking our bike to work because it is going to be a gorgeous day. 0% chance of rain. Yeah, she sounds great though for a stock pipe. I can't wait to hear this thing without that catalytic converter. So while that's going, let's go grab the trash. We gotta do home duties first. I hope that you guys are enjoying my Christmas videos, my Vlogmas videos, which I thought came out pretty good. It's a lot of work though. That video editing part is, because I'm pretty picky, but there are times where I'm not so picky, and I tend to get a little lazy because, you know, I'm editing the second video after editing the first one. So it's like, okay, maybe I need to chill out. So we are at this thing never wants to listen to me. There we go. Oh, come on. What is this? Are you kidding me right now? Ah, jeez. When you're already geared up and bullshit comes up like that just to piss you off, and all you want to do is close the freaking garage. Woo! That feels so good every time we launch. Alright, 2022 plans. I know this is on a lot of people's bucket list, but mine is losing weight. I need to refocus on my eating habits. I need to refocus on my gym, because I go to the gym but I don't go as frequently as I should. So I feel like in the past couple of days I've gained a lot of the weight that I lost. Maybe it's that one poquito, but I don't know. So I went ahead and repositioned the microphone. I'm hoping that this will fix the issue, because I don't know, my voice sounds very weird. When I went back to watch it, when I'm editing the video it sounds fine, but when I upload it, for some reason I sound very muffled. So I kind of messed with the equalizer to, you know, kind of fix things a bit. So I'm really hoping that that'll fix the issue, because I know this is a whole different helmet. It squeezes my cheeks. That sounds bad. It squeezes my cheeks in a bit. What I mean is, like, the padding is very thick in this helmet. Even though it's more comfortable, you feel safer with this helmet, because with the AGV it's a great helmet. It's carbon fiber and all, but well, that's dope. They're riding out on a Tuesday. But this helmet just has a better fit for my head, I guess, is what I'm saying. There we go. Wonderful. Oh man, what is going on here? See, this is the reason why we should have lane splitting. Me sitting in this traffic like this, I am running the risk of somebody just rear-ending me. That's right. Let's go. I'm just gonna do it because I really just want to get to work. So this is what it feels like to lane split. This bike is so comfortable for a sports bike. Like I can ride this thing all day long. Sheesh! Oh man, let's go, peoples. This is how bad traffic is in Florida, Central Florida. I can't imagine what LA will look like. I've been there once a long time ago. That was like 2012. Dang, it was almost 10 years ago. Yes. Oh, you jumping in here? There you go. That's okay. Oh, that is great. That's amazing. Thank you guys. Woo! Yes, baby. Are you coming this way too? I want to make sure I don't. Alright, we are almost here, my friends. I got dust in my eye. It's dusty. Why is it so dusty? Look at that! What is that? Skeleton on Santa Claus? The skeleton on top of a skeleton, so I think that's the only thing interesting I caught today. Oh yeah, gravel. Oh my gosh, it's gravel. Gotta talk to security lady, let them know that I'm going to the bank. Headed to the bank. To the bank. From 1 to 2, perfect. Close for lunch, 1 to 3. Alright, I will be back, guys.